So Gav, some customers have more old-fashioned gravity-fed hot water systems which means they don't have enough hot water pressure for the 4-in-1 tap, or some are in offices, for example, when they don't have mains hot water coming through to the sink full stop. Do we have a solution for that?
Yeah, we do indeed. We have this bit of kit here which we call a blender valve. So what it does, it connects onto the outlet of your water boiler. So the boiling water comes into the blender valve and it connects up with the cold mains water. So when you activate the normal hot side of your tap, it mixes both the boiling water and the cold water to give you what we refer to as normal hot water for your tap.
Oh, fantastic. And what's the temperature it typically comes out at?
It's 46 degrees. And it can be adjusted as well. If you remove this cover, there's like a little dial in there that can be rotated round, so it is adjustable as well.
Great, okay. And we supply that as a kit and everything that's needed to install it in with a 4-in-1 system?
We do, yeah. It comes with all the necessary hoses and our favourite little tool, the nut runner as well.
So Gav, if we need a blender valve, what do we need to think about in terms of which tank would be best for us?
Yeah, so what we basically say, if you're a smallish family, and obviously you require a blender valve, then the 4-litre tank is perfectly suitable. But if you've got like a larger family and you're very sort of busy and active, this is when we then recommend the 7-litre heater tank.
And probably for a small office as well, that would be the better choice.
It is, yeah. We sort of typically say small offices and sort of light commercial use, the 7-litre tank is perfect.
So what would be the actual impact in your everyday use of it? So if you were to run a cup of boiling, what would then happen if you wanted some mains hot?
Yeah, so what happens, so say if you want to make a couple of, so say 2 cups of tea for you and your wife in the morning, then what happens, then after that, if you want to do the washing up, the 4-litre tank will perfectly work fine. But if you'd like to make sort of 4 or 5 cups of tea or even some pasta or something like that, then we want to have the mains hot water straight away via the blender valve. That's when we recommend the 7-litre tank.
Perfect.